Direct admission RNS Institute of Technology. Get direct admission to RNS Institute of Technology Bangalore for BE Engineering courses after completing class 12. If you want to join one of the best engineering colleges in Karnataka, RNS IT Institute of Technology could be the right choice. Admission backup brings you top engineering colleges offering direct admission through management quota seats. In this article, we will cover the following topics about RNS Institute of Technology Bangalore. Overview of RNS IT Bangalore, eligibility criteria for admission, admission process and fee structure, RNS IT management quota fees, placement facilities offered by RNS IT, college review and ranking. For direct admission to RNS Institute of Technology, contact Abhinav Kumar at +918546 881677. Overview of RNS IT Bangalore. Also known as RNS IT, it is one of the most prestigious engineering colleges located in the heart of Bangalore city. R.N. Shetty Institute of Technology was established in 2001. The college is named after its chairman Dr. R.N. Shetty. RNS Institute of Technology is a private engineering college affiliated with Visvesvaraya Technological University, Belgaum. It is approved by AICTE New Delhi. The college is graded by NBA and NAC with A plus grade. RNSIT is spread over 120 acres of land located on Dr. Vishnuvardhan Road, Chanasandra, Rajarajeshwari Nagar, Bengaluru, Karnataka. RNSIT was established with the sole purpose of imparting quality education in the field of engineering. It is one of the India's premier engineering colleges in terms of academic placements and placement facilities. The college offers various infrastructure facilities including the Alash Green campus, state-of-the-art classroom, well-equipped laboratories, hostel, canteen and sports facility. Courses offered. RNSIT offer undergraduate and postgraduate courses duly approved by AICTE and affiliated with VTU. RNSIT undergraduate programs: Computer Science Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Computer Science, AI and Machine Learning, Computer Science, Data Science, Computer Science, Cyber Security, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Civil Engineering. RNSIT Postgraduate Program: Master of Business Administration (MBA), Master of Computer Applications (MCA). Eligibility criteria for admission in RNSIT. RNS Institute of Technology Bangalore invites application for admission each year through entrance exam or management quota seats. Student interested in admission must fulfill the minimum eligibility criteria for admission to RNSIT. Must have passed class 10th and 12th in regular mode. Must have studied science, mathematics and English as compulsory subject. Must have secured an average of 50% marks in physics, chemistry and mathematics. During the admission process, all students must provide the following essential documents: SSLC 10th marks card, PUC 10 plus 2 marks card, CET, Comet K or JEE Main rank card, transfer certificate, Aadhaar card, recent passport size photograph. Admission process and fee structure. Students eligible for admission to RNS Institute of Technology must appear in entrance exam for merit-based seat allotment. Interested student can appear in the Comet K or Karnataka CET entrance examination, which are held annually for admission to undergraduate engineering courses in Karnataka. Non-Karnataka students can appear in the Comet K entrance exam. Karnataka state students can apply for both Karnataka CET and Comet K entrance exam. Entrance examinations are held every year, but due to limited number of seats, only a select number of students qualify for admission to RNS IT Bangalore. The total intake of seats is divided according to institution allocated quotas for Karnataka, non-Karnataka and management quota seats. 25% of the total intake in UG program is reserved under the management quota for direct admission to RNSIT. 35% of seats are allocated under the Comet K quota and 45% of seats are reserved for Karnataka state students through Karnataka CET counseling. An annual tuition fees of 2,80,000 per annum applies to Comet K students admitted through Comet K entrance exam. Student admitted through Karnataka CET will have to pay an annual tuition fees of 1 lakh. For direct admission through management quota seats at RNSIT, students must have pay a higher tuition fees depending on their specialization choice. RNSIT management quota fees. 25% of the total intake at RNSIT is reserved under management quota for direct admission. Admission consultants and college management handle direct admission at RNSIT. To be eligible for direct admission, student must fulfill the minimum eligibility criteria. Annual tuition fees under management quota. Computer science engineering 7.5 lakh, electronics and communication engineering 4 lakh 50,000, artificial intelligence and machine learning 6 lakh, computer science and engineering data science 6 lakhs, computer science and engineering cyber security 6 lakhs, electrical and electronics engineering 3 lakh, mechanical engineering 2 lakh, civil engineering 1 lakh. RNSIT placement facilities offered by RNSIT. RNSIT offers excellent placement services for both undergraduate and postgraduate courses. It has established 16 Memorandum of Understanding MOUs with various industries and multinational corporations. The college offers a highest salary package of up to 56 lakhs per annum. The average salary package is 8 lakh per annum. More than 1000 students are placed every year from the RNSIT campus. RNSIT provides excellent internship opportunities with over 470 ongoing internships. Top companies where students have been placed includes Amazon, Adobe, Nokia, Entity Data, LG, Texas Instruments, Bosch and Deloitte. The college also organizes job fairs in collaboration with industry leaders such as Cognizant, LTI, Mindtree, Tejas Network, Surya Financial Services, Accenture, Sinema Media, Betsol, Sonata Software, SAP, Siemens and Toyota Industries. RNSIT offers training to impart industry-specific skill sets along with academic curriculum which enhances placement performance. The HR manager who leads the career development cell is highly skilled and passionate about inviting top companies for campus recruitment. The training and placement cell enhances students' employability by providing specialized training in mathematical ability, aptitude skills, analytical skills, language skills, and technical skills, along with mock placement tests. RNSIT conducts various live projects sponsored by industry partners to increase student exposure to real world projects. RNSIT Bangalore College Review and Ranking. Why choose RNSIT? Reputable institution. RNSIT is regarded for its strong academic program, experienced faculty, and state-of-the-art facilities. Industry connection. The institute offers excellent placement opportunities and industry partnership, helping students kickstart their career. Diverse program. RNSIT offers a range of specialization within engineering, allowing students to choose the field that best suits their interest and career goals. RNSIT is an autonomous institute under VTU and is ranked among the top 10 engineering colleges in Karnataka. RNSIT has a strong academic foundation supported by its state-of-the-art infrastructure and campus facilities. It has a robust faculty base of 472 members including around 90 professors with PhD degrees. RNSIT Bangalore offers various campus facilities such as laboratories, an auditorium, a canteen, a playground, a gymnasium and hostel facilities. The college has successfully completed 2 decades since its establishment with tremendous progress in all areas including academic excellence, VTU rank holder, placement, sports and cultural activities. The college staff and management are very supportive and committed alongside thousands of enthusiastic engineering students. The college is a placement paradise with an excellent placement record. RNSIT is accredited by NAAC and NBA with A+ grade and is recognized in the NIRF and ARIA rankings. The college provides engineering students with confidence, knowledge, pride and quality placement. The vision of the institute is to build a center of excellence in the field of quality technical education. The RNSIT campus offers a lively environment that is ideal for exploring dreams and ideas. The campus encourages young minds to be creative and goal-oriented. Campus life is filled with joy and is an ideal place to spend memorable years of life. Conclusion. We encourage you to join some of the best engineering colleges for your higher education. At admission backup, we recommend RNS Institute of Technology, Bangalore. Karnataka offers numerous engineering colleges for higher studies, but if you aim to study at the top engineering institutions, management quota seats can provide a direct pathway for admission after class 12. RNSIT reserved 25% of its seats under management quota for direct admission in BE courses. Students can take advantage of these seats to secure admission at RNS Institute of Technology. Other top engineering colleges in Bangalore similar to RNSIT include New Horizon College of Engineering, Nitya Meenakshi Institute of Technology, Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, BMS Institute of Technology, Bangalore Institute of Technology. If you have any questions about RNSIT management quota admission, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for listening. For more information, visit www.admissionbackup.com.